Hello everyone, this is a boiler pressure relief valve. This valve is leaking, okay, and that's why the boiler pressure is becoming low and low. As you can see here, the boiler pressure is almost zero. Yeah, as you see here, it's almost zero. So we need to remove it and replace with a new one. So let's open this first. So what I did, I closed all the valves over here. For example, feed water valve and all distribution valve, everything I just closed. And then let's replace that one. First one, it should be shorter, but in my case, I don't think that they have shorted it. So I'm just twisting using my hand and trying to opening it. Okay, so it's gone. And now this coupling, right? So it's 90 degree coupling. So let's open that. Okay. So okay, all good. Open it. And then this valve. By the way, before doing that, what I did, I opened that boiler water release valve and then drain all the water. This is the valve. I have a garden hose connected over there, and there is a port that water can drain. So please, opening anything like that, drain all the water from the boiler. This is the first step, and then you open it. Okay. Otherwise, the hot water can spill on your face or hand. Okay, just open this and then. Okay, it's all gone. The replacement part is here. That is, I bought from Home Depot. As you see, that is a 30 psi, right? Okay, so we'll put a Teflon tape on that and then put it back, and then we'll be back.